see, I use Liberty the Beanie Boo. Oh yeah, that's a new Beanie Boo I got, by the way. The American flag, and I pointed towards America on the go. Are you asking why I did that? Well, not sure if you can hear it, but yes, it is 4th of July, everybody. This is another edition of 4th of July fireworks, but this time, it's in quarantine, obviously. So we're going to try our best to show you the fireworks around here. Oh, and sorry if it's zoomed up, guys. Because...
Go close the lights in the kitchen.
Okay. Guys, wait a sec. Close the lights up. By the way, guys, this is what started my channel. This was like my first, that's what my icon was for like 3 years. And then I changed it to my current. Alright.
It's like over here, Maury.
That's it. Guys, there's like huge fireworks. They're far away. Oh, there's one.
Yep, you guys.
Okay, yeah, they see
you
it.
guys, we have to do it there. We have to do it there. Yeah, we see them, guys. Okay, guys.
Do you see them? I think you can see them.
Yeah! Whoa, that was a good one. That was a good one. Yes! Yes, yes,
Guys, you can see them!
Let's just be quiet so that they can focus. Oh, yes, 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 yes. I think they can see mine a little bit better, though.
Well, it's because I don't know why my phone just was filming.
Oh my gosh, look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh.
Guys, do you see that? That's so
I'm
amazing.
gonna make this for like... Actually, guys, Mommy, can you bring me and Morrison a chair? Guys.
No, you're not getting up on a chair.
No, we do not. We want to sit in something so that we have somewhere to sit, right, Maury?
Yeah.
Please bring us a chair.
So let me go
Mommy.
here.
Mommy, can you please bring me a chair?
What are you doing with a chair?
I just want to sit down.
Oh, yeah, sure. Well, I have to turn the light on now because I can't see.
Okay. Okay, guys. So we're sorry. But where are they? They're not very much happening anymore.
Was Morrison wearing his new shirt or no?
Hey, where is it?
I don't know. Mommy, can you close the lights?
Oh, let me go.
Maury, this is my seat.
Guess why?
You didn't ask for one, so I didn't.
Oh, can I have a seat?
Oh, yeah, Lauren.
So I'm gonna move this, you guys. Trying to film this as good as I can.
Sorry if you can't really see it.
Maury, move.
Wait, guys.
Whoa, guys! I know you didn't really see the full thing, but there was definitely a
We
huge...
definitely have to zoom out. Take that down. No, we have to take that down.
I know, but don't ruin it. Give it
Yeah,
to
it's
me.
been there for like 3 months.
Yeah, but I like it.
Here, let me zoom out a little.
You guys, you saw that, bro. Guys, so we have to get these. Oh my God, guys. Where did that?
Oh no, I think I saw it over there. Wait, I see it over
Yeah,
there.
guys, please let me close.
Yeah, as you can see, you can't really see. Turn the lights off. Yeah, there's a little bit. Yeah, there you can see, guys.
All right, here's your seat, buddy.
Oh my gosh, you guys! We gotta film here.
Yeah, I know. Like, these fireworks aren't as frequent.
Close all the lights.
See, there's another fireworks there. There's another fireworks.
We just gotta film here, okay?
Okay. Here's another firework there.
It's okay. We don't have to film the little ones.
I know, but
Guys.
I want to because, like, those ones don't happen as frequent. As you can see, there was a huge one right there.
Guys, it's over here now. It's over here again. We're guessing
There was currently a huge firework.
there should be one. You guys were looking.
There's a long pause.
I used to get scared one of these would hit me, but I know they won't because they're super high up in the air.
I think they're coming from the other side. Oh, I see them. They're like over there, guys. But it's too dark to show because like there's a.
Yeah, so we're gonna just film
I
here.
think they stopped. The ones that.
No, I hope they're not.
Oh! Oh, I saw one right there, guys. There was a big one right there. And it was red, white, and blue. Oh my gosh! I think there was a firefly right there. Holy!
Oh my gosh, you guys,
Whoa!
you guys, film here.
Whoa!
Film here, Maury.
Whoa!
Just film here.
Guys,
Don't stop.
filming.
guys, hi guys, and we're watching fireworks, as you can see. Oh my gosh, guys, we just caught them, so I just started my video again, and you guys see this? Wow, we're just gonna keep on filming this. Come on,
And
more.
it stopped.
We just got.
That was
we
so
gotta wait for
cool,
more.
guys.
We gotta wait for more.
I heard one over there. We
Oh,
only
over there.
have to focus.
No,
No,
there was one. There's one. See it right there.
that's just a plane.
Oh wait, where's one? Here.
I think they're too far away.
Yeah. We're gonna just keep filming over here, right?
Mm-hmm.
You guys. Oh, I thought that was one. What is that?
Guys, be quiet.
Close the door. Close the door. Close the door. Close the door.
Be quiet.
Close the door. Close the door. Close the door. You guys, we're up. There, guys. We're filming.
Oh, that's not a firework, actually. I think that's star. That's a star, Nora.
Oh my gosh, you guys, just film that star.
Okay, but that's not a firework.
No, but that's a crazy big star.
I think that's Venus, actually. I don't know. I don't know my planets, guys.
Venus is very small.
Yeah, but it's very close to us, so that's why it appears so big. And it's very large. Man, look how big it is. It looks like a firework itself.
Okay, so we're gonna keep on filming here because these have
Maybe.
huge ones. So now I'm just gonna sit down and relax.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I have a seat too. Let me just...
You guys, this is so relaxing for us, right, Maury? Because the sound of these.
Coming from over there.
Yeah, it's from over here. Oh no, right here.
Where?
I think over here. Yep, over here, right here. Right here.
Oh
See?
yeah, I saw it. But
Alright.
on your camera. I think you see it, guys.
Yes, guys, there you go. Guys,
There was
guys,
just one, right?
you saw that, guys. I think it's like very small ones and then really big ones. When we hear a loud bang, that's when we know to go over there, right?
Yeah.
Guys, look at how cool. You guys, look at how awesome.
Guys, I gotta do this for a second because my arm's hurting. Okay, I'm back.
You guys, we're filming
it's
the
not.
best we possibly can.
I know. Hey, where did the store go?
We're Venus. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. There we go. Yeah, there we
And
go.
there was an airplane right near it.
Oh,
Hope
that was
those people are
dangerous. That's actually very dangerous, you guys. Try not to do
okay.
that.
I saw some smoke up there.
Same,
from the
that's kind of
firework.
dangerous.
Yeah, but it's okay because we're far away from the
Okay, so
firework.
film back over here.
I don't see anything.
Just film over here. This is where.
Whoa! I mean, that wasn't actually as big as the other
Okay,
ones,
that's
but
fine.
that was still pretty big. Or at least loud. Like, I think I see fireflies.
There's barely any
No,
fireworks.
I think that's...
Oh, okay.
Oh, that was pretty
There you
big!
guys. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Oh, look, as you can see, this... Oh, you can't
YOLO. I don't know if that's a thing, but I just said it.
see it. Yeah, YOLO means, like, I think, like, it's like nostalgia. It's like nostalgia. I don't know how you pronounce it, guys. Tell me in the comments below how you
Oh, I thought
pronounce
that was
it.
it. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Oh, it was like... Oh, wait, I see some fireworks over there, too.
Yeah,
So you can see there's some fireworks.
the baby ones, but that's okay.
Well, no, I don't think the baby ones. It's just from far away.
Well, for us, they're baby ones.
Mhm.
You guys see them now.
There's some huge ones coming out though.
Yeah. Oh, okay. There we go.
No, there wasn't.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, it's like the same exact thing every single time. That's sad.
That was,
But don't worry, I think they're going to put on a show.
yeah, that's usually what happens every year.
Mhm. There's another firework right there. Hello.
If you guys are very sensitive to noises, maybe you should lower your volume for this.
No, it's actually not that loud.
No, but just in case, if they're very, very sensitive, they should lower it.
Mm.
You guys see how pretty those are? Pink and like yellow. Ooh, ooh.
Whoa. Oh, there's some over there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you guys maybe. There we go. More, can you move your phone a bit?
Who's that? What's up with that squeaking noise? Man, there's like,
Just keep on filming.
I think their firework machine broke.
Just keep filming.
They're coming from over there.
Yeah. I think right here. So, you guys, I think they're over here maybe. Oh, yep, they're over here.
Oh, yeah, but
From where I am. They're over here, definitely.
maybe over there.
So, we're waiting for really, really loud. Oh, there's a stray cat. Hi, kitty.
Wait, where's the
Oh,
street?
I just ran away. We're trying as hard as we can to film as best as we can, and we're trying not to film any addresses because we're not in the mood to expose where we live today or ever. But... Oh, over here.
Really?
It sounded like it. Oh, I think they're over here.
Oh, yeah, I see a reflection of fireworks.
Yeah.
So there's probably some.
Yep.
Oh!
I caught
that
that
actually was a
one.
little different than the last one. So.
I caught that one like straight away. Oh, there we go. There's some.
Alright, we're going to end this video in like 5 minutes.
I'm not.
Oh yeah, when it ends, but it probably will end like in a
We're
while.
gonna probably do a part 2. Oh yeah.
That was so big!
I got that one, you guys. I got that one. That was such good. You guys, if you guys want to see different filming, you guys should check out my channel, and you guys should check out his channel, Beanie Boo Mori.
No,
Actually, no.
Imbufomoy.
How do you spell it?
MBWFRO.
MBWFRO.
Moy.
Mori. Guys, I think it's over here now.
You can see it.
No, over here. In a little. What the hell? Guys, not very good filming. We're sorry. Oh, over here, I think.
It's so dark. Guys, if you're still here, comment.
Mori, move over. Mori, you're.
I'm sorry.
You keep on jumping in front of mine.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean that.
Oh, they're here.
I'm sorry, it's just because I have the worst feeling.
Doesn't give you
There's
the
a
right to
few.
go in front of me and stuff.
I know, I'm sorry.
You guys, I'm looking out for. Oh, here.
Huh?
We have big ones now, you guys.
Whoa.
So just keep
Whoa.
filming here. Okay. Okay, so now you guys are like over here. They're here, yeah.
Don't see anything.
No.
Oh, there's some.
Yep, there's smoke.
There's some I can't see.
Up here.
Oh my gosh, that was so beautiful.
Yeah. We literally have to keep zooming in and out. Guys, it's hard to film those. So we're just gonna film these. Yep, they're here. You guys can see them a little bit.
Okay.
See those little thingies? They're fireworks. You guys can't see those.
From my angle, I don't think it. Oh, there was a little one right there.
Oh, right here.
There was a big one right there, but I missed
Over
it.
here.
There
Whoa!
was one
Oh,
right
here
there.
they are. Here they are. Okay.
missing quite a few.
Oh, yes.
Whoa, that was a double firework. Oh, there was another one right there.
They're over here too. Oh, that's so cool.
Show everything, guys.
Yep, I zoomed in more. Look at how cool mine looks. Check it out.
Yeah, it's so cool. I can't zoom in that far.
I can't.
That was a
Oh, over here. Yep, over here, you guys. You guys, we're literally trying so hard to film. Like, no joke.
Man, there was a ton. A ton of fireworks.
Tom, we're looking for those really big ones that we hear. Oh. So, you guys, one of our favorite things are fireworks.
I think so. They're pretty cool.
Imagine you can see someone through there. Although it's oh, over here.
They're just all over the place now. I'm going to end this video in like 5 minutes now.
Same.
Well, I see some fireworks over
Guys,
there.
I'm doing a part 2. So if you want to see fireworks for longer, go check out my channel. Okay, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Oh wait, they weren't over there. I think some of them are over here. Yep, over here.
I don't see anything.
More, your head.
Sorry.
Yep, over here, definitely. We can't find it, like literally. Oh, over here we missed it. Frick. Oh, wait, no, we're not missing it because they keep having them. Yes.
Wow.
Perfect. Perfect, you guys. You guys, yes. Yes, girl.
Oh my gosh, it was like.
Yeah. Oh, oh. Over here.
Oh, I saw one right there, but.
They're also over here. This is what it would look like if we weren't even filming. So, like envelopes. Oh. Yep, they're over here, you guys, too.
There's some.
Where? Here?
They done?
No, they're not. I keep hearing them. Just don't know where they are, you guys.
I'm going to film for like 2 more minutes.
Oh, here they are.
Whoa, there was a big one.
Up, out, out, out. Wait, what?
That was just a light, guys.
Over here.
It was a fail firework. Man, there's so many. Those are probably like hiding behind these.
You guys, these are actually, I think, the most we've had this year.
No.
Actually, guys, we're just going to do part 1 because we want to.
Well, there was a big
There
one.
was
I kind of caught it on camera.
the same. Yep. Over here.
Next time. At the end?
No, definitely
Oh,
not.
there's still a few files.
Those.
That's not fireworks.
Yep, over here.
Let me zoom out a little.
No, I zoomed out too much. I'm gonna make this video like 20 minutes.
Yeah, me too.
How long has yours
20 minutes. Exactly.
in the video?
No, not now. I just blast one more firework. Guys, I hope you had a good time watching the fireworks. There wasn't that many, but it was pretty good.
Yeah, after me and Morrison are just gonna watch them ourselves. Right?
I guess so.
We're gonna make some popcorn, eat some popcorn. Like literally, guys, I'm craving some right now. Oh, yep, I got that one.
Okay, one more.
One more, and then we have to.
Yeah, but one more that we can see, not that.
Yeah. Where did that? I want more of those big ones that those people have.
Yeah, I think they stopped for some reason.
No, I feel like because it takes a little while for them to set it up. You guys, I'm finding some down here. Oh, I don't know what those are. Oh, over here. I think. Yep, you guys see those.
Alright.
Yep, we're gonna film this, you guys.
Yeah, it does sound interesting.
Man, there's so many.
You guys see these?
Alright, is this ever going to end? Oh my gosh.
There are better ones over here.
It's never going to end. It's been like a minute. Oh, they never stop.
I'm gonna end my video very soon.
No, but it's not even, it's only 15
I know,
minutes.
but I just don't want it to be too long that it gets deleted. So, yeah. Yep, over here. They're over here. They're over here. This is where they are.
Well, I think I gotta end my video now.
Alright, so.
Okay, wait, guys. I just need to get better lighting. Wait a sec. I need to go back downstairs as well. Guys, be quiet. I'm filming down here.
Okay, sorry, Mark. I'll let you shut the door. 5%.
Okay, guys.
Oh, sorry, Mark.
Well, anyways, guys, this is the end of the video. Please make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications. If you don't know how to do that, all you gotta do is make sure to subscribe. If you don't, because that's the only way you can turn on notifications. Also, make sure to like this video. Oh, also, if you don't know what the notifications look like, it's a bell icon and it's a subscribe button. Also, make sure to like this video. I don't care if you dislike. If you really didn't like this video, fine, dislike. But anyways, guys, I hope you like this video and stay with Beanie. It was a huge one right there. Wait, let me see your mouth for a sec.